Hi guys, this is your invitation to join us on this open collaboration titled Happy Birthday Jesus. It's being hosted by my channel, Marlene's How To's, and it's going to be on a Thursday, December 1st at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm Marlene, and welcome to my home and garden channel. I'm going to be having 6 lovely co-hosts: Penny's Lifestyle Living, Tamekia Rosero, Johnson Home Decor, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, JMom Creations, and 2 Georgia Peaches, and I will be listing their channels in the description box below. And guys, you're going to be decorating any part of your home, inside or out. The main thing is that we're going to be featuring the nativity scene somewhere in the video. And if you want to know how I decorated my columns like this, I will link that video at the end of this one. So here's an example, guys. This is so cute. Just an example of a nativity scene that you can use. Of course, there are different types. Some of them are a little bit more formal and others not. You can arrange them maybe in a vignette if you like. You can even use a card like I did in this case. Just a card that I have here, and just put some candles, some reindeer, little tree, just different things to make it come alive. This can be maybe like even on a table setting, like in the middle of a table setting, because this is freestyle, guys. Bear in mind that you do need to use the hashtag HBJesus22. We'll be creating a playlist so that you can have your video added on. And if there's any issue with that, you can always reach me by Instagram at Marlene's How To's, and you can message me there so I can go ahead and have you added in if there are any issues with that. Of course, you can use different styles of it. It can be something like this one, a little bit more relaxed, not as formal or as glam, maybe more like a farmhouse style if that's what you prefer. And by the way, if you've never subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell so you can see all of my future uploads. I do a lot of gardening and decorating as well, especially around the holiday season. So you can see I did a mantle here. You can use just different cards you may have gotten in the past and just have them decorate your mantle. You can use maybe like an ornament that shows a nativity scene on your Christmas tree, or maybe even a card like I did in this case for that particular year there. Of course, you have the wonderful outside displays that you can use. I just think this one is just so classy. And you can even show like nighttime views as opposed to daytime views. You can go, just from one room to the next. It doesn't matter if you wanted to do your whole house or just maybe a little section of it. You can maybe do your kitchen. It doesn't matter. As long as you have the nativity scene featured somewhere in there, then you're pretty much good to go. My only ask is that you keep it 12 minutes or less, just because we want to make it as big as we can to have as many people involved for this wonderful Christmas season. So I do look forward to seeing what you have in store for me. If you have any questions, you can always leave it in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And again, you can always message me on Instagram at Marlene's How To's over there. So thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you. Hope you'll participate or just join in and watch what we do. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the Christmas season. Take care.